After logging onto the course from the dashboard in Canvas, click the navigation menu icon in the upper left-hand corner of the landing page. The home page is displayed first by default. It contains the syllabus, 3 videos, and your first out-of-class assignment. The syllabus outlines most of your rights and responsibilities for this course and includes a course description and a tentative course schedule. The modules include the textbook, videos, and additional materials featured in the course. All materials are organized by course topic within individual drop-down menus. The textbook and materials include a full screen view and page-by-page navigation. The classroom websites can be viewed by first clicking the menu item and then the website image serving as a link to the actual website. The websites contain their own navigation menus and individual pages. The videos and other course materials can be viewed in much the same way. Click the play button to view the video, and the next or previous buttons to sort through the videos. The first module to be used in the course is dubbed Introduction. The summary and overview is displayed with a click. Separate modules are provided for each topic covered and may be updated throughout the course. The assignments include 2 different views, by date and by type. The assignments may also be viewed on the home page where the deadlines for each are included. Teleconferences are an integral part of this course, and you will receive an email invitation for each meeting. The meeting dates and other information are listed and may be viewed in the Cisco WebEx navigation link. That's it. I look forward to serving you this semester. Welcome aboard.